Heather, we've got an adorable little beach house on Lantana, turnkey and ready to go.
Literally just a couple blocks from here. I want to show everybody.
Let's go see. And even though it's open concept, there's lots of flow and continuity to this floor plan. This kitchen has the perfect amount of space and upgraded appliances.
If space is important to you, this 2-bed, 2-bath is perfect. See the space? So for more information, look in the description below. I've got a listing link there for you for all of the details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.